Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Locate the 25-character product key before you begin the setup process. Keep the key printed or emailed and ready to enter. Sign in to your Microsoft account on a secure device before redeeming the key. Use one Microsoft account to claim the key and associate the subscription with your profile. Confirm your device meets Microsoft 365 system requirements and that you have stable internet access. Close other apps and back up any unsaved work before starting the installation. Open the official Redeem site and sign in with the Microsoft account you will use. Carefully type the full 25-character product key exactly as it appears. Confirm the associated plan details and accept any license terms shown on screen. Choose your preferred language and region when prompted during the setup process. After redemption, select Install and follow prompts to download Office apps for your device. Keep your browser window open until the download and installer launch successfully. After installation, open any Office app and sign in using the same Microsoft account to activate. Verify activation by checking your account name in the app title bar or subscription settings. Add a payment method in your Microsoft account to enable automatic renewals if you choose. Apply a promotional offer or claim a 30-day trial when prompted if that option appears. Use the Microsoft account portal to view billing, manage devices, and share access if your plan allows multiple users. Sign out.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.